Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today we're making this delicious honey garlic chicken bites. I love honey garlic recipes, I'm sure you guys know that by now, and these chicken bites are to die for. Let's get started. For this recipe, we're using chicken breast. I've gone ahead and cut up my chicken into cubes or bite-sized pieces, just like these. We're going to start by seasoning the chicken with some salt and black pepper. We're also going to add some cornstarch. Toss everything together very well. Once everything is mixed in, we're going to start cooking the chicken. I'm drizzling some olive oil into my cast iron pan heated up over medium-high heat. As soon as the oil gets hot, toss in some butter and allow the butter to melt. Go ahead and add the chicken. We want the chicken to have a nice sear, so make sure you don't overcrowd the pan. If you overcrowd the pan, the chicken is going to steam rather than sear. To make sure of this, I cooked my chicken in 2 batches. We're going to cook the chicken for 3 minutes on one side. Then we're going to turn them over and cook them for another 3 minutes on the other side. Once the chicken bites have a golden brown color on both sides, I'm going to take them out, then cook the rest of my chicken. Once the second batch of chicken has cooked, I'm going to add the first batch back into the pan. Next, I'm going to add some minced garlic. Toss it together with the chicken to cook for 30 seconds or until the garlic begins to get fragrant. Next, we're going to add some honey. We're also adding soy sauce, rice vinegar, lemon juice, any hot sauce of your choice. I'm using sriracha. I'm going to stir everything together and let the sauce cook on high heat for 2 minutes to thicken. The sauce is going to turn this rich golden color that's going to coat the chicken and stick to it. And this is the end result, you guys. I'm just garnishing with some fresh parsley. This was so easy to make and the flavor is amazing. It pairs really well with rice, so make sure you have your rice ready. The chicken also goes really well with peanuts or cashew nuts, so if you have those, sprinkle a little bit over it and enjoy. If you guys would like to make this delicious honey garlic chicken bite, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!